Today we are presenting sea cucumber cooking. This is the sea cucumber which comes frozen in packets commercially. This is a creature living in the ocean, in shallow waters. It's called sea cucumber because it resembles a dried cucumber. Sea cucumber is known to have very high content of proteins, minerals and vitamins. At the same time, it does not have cholesterol. So it's an ideal food for those who are afraid of cholesterol and gather as much proteins as their body needs.
Already dried the sea cucumber very small, so already water, it's now frozen.
Immerse it in water. So something like defrosting. Sea cucumber comes frozen, but its internal organs are to be removed.
To clean it.
For removal of them, you have to be softer. It has to be softer so that you can cut it open and remove the internal organs. That's why we are soaking this in water. After soaking, the sea cucumber has been softer.
Like this. See?
It was opened, cut and open out, and the inside.
I see sea cucumber there.
What are the impurities? What did you remove from inside?
There's some lines, I put a little vinegar
Add little vinegar.
to remove the smell because this one usually has a little smell, you know. Put a little salt.
And wash it carefully.
Inside,
Show me inside, please.
inside like this.
Inside looks like this.
Yeah. Now it's
So
okay.
all the
Yeah. just-
intestines have been removed.
Yeah. I bought already it's ready one actually.
Removed one.
Yeah, remove one. And if not,
When it is packaged, the manufacturer, they cut it open, remove the intestines. But again, after soaking, you still have to wash it off.
wash everything. Huh? Okay, clean and wash.
That is the sea cucumber. Cleaned, washed, and ready to be used for cooking.
Good for the sick people, older people. Older people, if you have enough money, you can eat. It's very good for the body.
Add an egg. Add egg into the
So
bowls for 2 persons.
each person for one. Then I stir this one.
Beat the eggs.
Yeah, mix.
Cucumber had been cut into smaller pieces, put into 2 small size bowls, and egg had been beaten into that.
Then this is a hot water. I put a little cold water. Okay.
Add hot water into a small bowl.
Yeah. Now
Add a bit of cold water into that to make it warm water. Now
I will put inside here.
put inside the bowls.
Inside the bowl.
and mix.
Yeah, mix. Then I will put a big onion.
Onion?
Spring onion.
Spring onions.
Yeah.
Cut a bit of spring onions and put into each bowl.
I think with
Stir them well.
until you see not looks very stiff like this. Okay.
Until it is mild, softer, not thick. We bought this packet of oysters produced in Korea and added into a bowl. Oysters.
Oyster. Huh? Give a taste.
Add one oyster or two
Give a
into each bowl, which gives an authentic taste.
Now I put a little salt.
Add a pinch of salt.
Now
Grind
a
a bit of white pepper into that.
glass. Now,
Now mix them.
this is juice put inside.
You can add
Oyster juice.
remaining oyster liquid.
Like liquid. Huh? Now this.
Cover each bowl
Then this
into a
is
steamer saucepan
Yeah. Then
and place it on the oven or the cooker stove.
Yeah. And they put this inside.
Add
And this one.
both the bowls. Both the
Because
bowls
the
have been
cover-
placed in the water in the steamer and cover so that it will be cooked with steam. Cover the steamer. Add vinegar into the bowl. That's vinegar. Soy sauce,
Yeah. Soy sauce. This is
about
a
half
organic
teaspoon.
soy sauce.
Organic soy sauce.
Let's be on.
Sesame oil, about 1
1 teaspoon.
teaspoon. This soy sauce is dark soy sauce, right?
No, light soy sauce.
That is light soy sauce. It has been steamed about half an hour. Now it's ready. Now you sprinkle
The
the
sauce.
pre-mixed sauce mix onto the surface.
Yeah. Then you do like this. Let the sauce go inside, you know.
Cut it into, like a
Square shape.
cake.
Then you see
Like a
how tender
cheesecake.
it is. See? See?
Delicious.
Yeah. Then eat like this.
Fantastic. And extremely healthy. Soft, textured, delicious, and nourishing. Ideal for all ages.
Yeah, young people.
Enjoy.
Yeah, children also can eat.
Children would love it. Sea cucumber, one of the best cholesterol-free protein. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.